Well, we've got a bit of snow, so obviously the best thing to do now is go for a run. Off we go. Not often we get this much snow in the UK, but it's gorgeous. A lovely day. No, not a day for doing a PB, but definitely a nice day for a run. Morning. Beautiful day. Nice bit of blue showing in the sky. Only about 15 minutes ago it was full of falling snow, so it's really pleasant. So we've just come over Newburn Bridge, built in the late 19th century, been going strong ever since. We're about to go down to the river, south side, and start running east. Here we go. Doesn't get much better than this, does it? Morning. Thanks. If you've seen my introducing video where I just talk about myself and how I get into running, that was inspired by a chap called Ben Notley, who's another running YouTuber. And I'd recommend you have a look at his channel. And he was in turn inspired by Chris, a YouTuber goes by the name of That Running Guy, both of whom have inspired me. In that video I talked about the place that we were running having been a power station. Well, that was the other side of the river here, and this where we are now, which is now a housing estate, and this was the other side of the power station. So it was split into two bits with a town in the middle. Power stations need a lot of water because they have to create steam to run the turbines. So usually, well always, sited right next to a good water source. This is quite a good one. Big river. If you've heard the song, the old Geordie song, Bladen Races, we're just coming up to the place where that's commemorated.
Oh, me lads, you should have seen us coming, past the folks along the road just as they were standing.
Of course, you'd be wondering where on earth there was a racetrack or race course. It's just river now, but in those days, the Tyne wasn't this deep, wide river. It was actually full of... It was quite shallow before it was canalised, and the course of the river changed, and there were islands in the middle, and one of those was where the race was run. And it was removed in the about 1870, between 1870 and 1880, something like that. I haven't seen the exact date in any books, but I have looked. Amazing how things change, and you only find out how much they've changed when you look back at things like that, because all of my life it's been like this, so it seems quite odd. Anyway, let's keep going, keep this road going. I have run in the snow before, but this is probably the deepest I've been in, and I decided to wear my trail shoes. I don't think that ordinary trainers would be very good, and definitely not the last pair I bought, which were for road racing. Be a complete waste. Now, they were really expensive, £220. But you don't need to spend a huge amount on trail shoes. You're not going to wear a lot. The ones I've got are more mild Cheviot 4s. They weren't pricey, but they're really good. So it's a shout out to More Mile, which is a Northumbrian company, hence why they're named after the Cheviot Hills. Well done for coming up with really great trail shoes. Thank you. Not many people been along here. A couple of gravel bikes, a couple of people on foot. Just about to run under the old railway bridge, and then we'll see Scotswood Bridge revealed. So here we go. Here we are, Scotswood Bridge. Not necessarily the most attractive of bridges, but you know, I rather like it. Well, that's the end of my winter wonderland run. My battery ran out, so I'm finishing off at home. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel so I can get to that magic 100 followers number. Also, I mentioned a couple of other YouTubers and a shoe manufacturer. I'll put links to them down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.